Ever found yourself locked out of your Spotify, staring at a blank screen when you just want to jam? You're not alone, and losing access to your carefully curated playlists can be a real bummer. But don't worry, there are alternative ways to get back in, even if you've lost your email or forgotten your password. If the standard password reset or email recovery isn't working for you, the most direct and often most successful route is to contact Spotify's customer support. This is where you can explain your situation and they can guide you through the process. To start with customer support, head over to the Spotify help website. You'll usually find a contact us or support link at the bottom of most Spotify pages. Once you're there, look for options related to account access or login issues. You'll want to select the option that best describes your predicament, like I can't remember my login details. Now, be prepared to provide as much information as you can to prove you're the rightful owner of the account. This might include details like your username, if you remember it, any previous email addresses you might have used, the approximate date you created your account, or even details about your subscription plan if you had one. If you are a premium subscriber, having information about your payment method like the last 4 digits of your credit card or your PayPal email address can be extremely helpful in verifying your ownership. The more accurate details you can offer, the easier it will be for Spotify's support team to help you regain access. While it might take a little patience, by following these steps and clearly communicating your situation to Spotify's support, you have a strong chance of recovering your account and getting back to enjoying your music and playlists. So don't give up, your songs are waiting for you.